This is the MCTV Weekday Update.
Welcome to the MCTV News Update at Uvie Bikomo. A new analysis by technology firm Data identified Lubbock as an emerging coronavirus hotspot. The study discovers that in the 8 states planning to ease social distancing measures in the coming weeks, almost 24 small cities and rural counties have infection rates set to skyrocket, despite their currently not having large numbers of confirmed cases. Lubbock is one of the 22 future hotspots in 8 states and one of 3 in Texas. The analysis used by the World Health Organization and the United Nations uses artificial intelligence to survey social media posts and also looks at 10,000 public data sources in more than 100 languages. Hidalgo County and Jefferson County are the 2 other counties in Texas identified as potential hotspots. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has added 6 new symptoms to its list of possible signs of the coronavirus. The agency has updated its list to include chills, repeated shaking with chills, muscle pain, headache, sore throat, and new loss of taste or smell. The CDC had previously only noted fever, cough, and shortness of breath as symptoms and recommends that people seek immediate medical attention if they develop any emergency warning signs, including trouble breathing, persistent pain or pressure in the chest, new confusion or inability to arouse, or bluish lips or face. A class action lawsuit has been filed against South by Southwest over their no-refund ticket policy. The policy came after cancellation of this year's festival due to the coronavirus. South by Southwest gave the option of deferring registration to next year, 2022 or 2023, in place of ticket refunds. The plaintiffs in the lawsuit argue that the festival's refund policy is unlawful, unconscionable, and unenforceable. After enduring the longest lockdown in Europe and one of the world's most deadly coronavirus outbreaks, Italian Prime Minister Giuseppe Conte announced plans yesterday to ease restrictions and reopen Italy's economy starting May 4th. While gatherings and parties remain banned and travel remains closely regulated with special other certification forms required for movement, visiting relatives will be allowed for people within Italian regions. Parks may also reopen subject to the approval of local mayors and regional governors, and outdoor exercises can be carried out more than 200 meters from the home. Schools are to remain closed for the remainder of the academic year, and restaurants may begin offering takeout. Around the world, prisons have become breeding grounds for the coronavirus, prompting governments to release hundreds of inmates and curb the spread of the coronavirus. The United Nations experts on detention, the World Health Organization, and human rights activists are only a few groups that have urged governments to reduce their prisoner populations. The pandemic has also set up rebellions, as angry inmates have called attention to problems in correction systems in many countries, including bad sanitation, limited access to healthcare, and overcrowding. According to the World Prison Brief database, at least 125 countries hold more prisoners than their correctional systems were designed for, including 20 that have more than twice the number of inmates that they are equipped to secure. That's a look at today's news for MCTV at Uvie Bikomo.
Reporting from Austin, Texas, I'm Madison Hartin, and this is your MCTV weather update. Now, Lubbock, Texas, even though it is still technically spring outside, it is starting to feel a little bit more like summer as the temperatures have started to rise. For this afternoon, the high for today was 90 degrees, mostly sunny outside, and an east by northeasterly wind coming at 10 to 15 miles per hour. A stray shower is possible going into this evening, where the temperature is going to drop back down to 61 degrees with partly cloudy conditions and a southeasterly wind now coming at 10 to 15 miles per hour. But let's look into our 3-day forecast for the next couple days. For Tuesday, it looks like we're going to be having a high of 96 for the area, a low of 55, mostly sunny outside though, with a northwesterly wind coming at 10 to 20 miles per hour. For Wednesday, that's when we're going to see the wind start to pick up a little bit. The wind is going to be coming from the southwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour with higher wind gusts possible. Sunny skies for that day at least, with a high of 81 and a low of 51, so our lowest temperature for the next 3 days. For Thursday, it looks like the sun will be out yet again with a high of 91 degrees, a low of 63, and a south by southwesterly wind coming at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Now, with all the nasty weather that's been plaguing Central Texas right now, it really does make me miss West Texas weather, and I cannot wait to get back up to Lubbock in the fall to be able to see the wonderful world of West Texas weather for myself again. I'm Madison Hartin for MCTV Weather. Be sure to check ttohub.net every day for more weather updates.